All right, so today I will be going over the website and app known as Flip. This used to be known as Flipgrid when I was in school as a student. It's really awesome. I remember using it to take videos and all that cool stuff, so we're just going to go into more detail. On this page, it kind of shows you how to sign up, but we're not really going to go into that, but I will explain. It shows that this is used to build classroom or study groups to help students express their ideas. And then you can also use this for social events as well. It's not just for educational purposes, although that is really nice. So it does show you have groups. It's like uploading pictures or videos shared on like iCloud is what I'm kind of getting from this. And here, down here, you can sign up or log in. So let's go more into it. This is their blog tab. I found this really interesting and very beneficial. As a teacher, it shows a lot of articles, and one specific one I found really cool was 5 ways to use Flip in high school. So they have a lot of really cool resources here. Although this has nothing to do with taking a video in a classroom, this is just beneficial for teachers who need some help with certain things in a classroom, like 5 ways to use Flip in higher education. Like, it's just a lot of advice on here, which I find really cool. And they have different tabs for, different subjects to talk about on there. All right, I'm going to go to the events tab here. This is really cool. Again, this is not having to do with the classroom, but I will go into that when we get to it. This is just really nice on their website. They have a bunch of events, and if you're not able to make it, it's no problem. I noticed on this like preschool and kindergarten page, this is for younger viewers, this event already happened, but what's great about it is you can watch on demand. So whenever you click on this, it goes to a YouTube link and you can watch it right there. I find that really cool just because sometimes it's hard whenever you can't make it to a certain place because you have other obligations, and this just posts it right away on there. Very cool. This help center goes into a lot more detail on what this is. Learn about Flip, find out if you can become a lead, learn about the Flip camera, and this also is in Spanish, which is really great for our Spanish speakers. So find out if you can become a lead. This was really nice because as a teacher, you need to create groups if you want everyone to share with each other. Going into that, for a good PBL assignment, I was thinking under the lines of a reading class, and let's say your whole class is divided up into, let's say, maybe 5 book clubs. Each member of that club, each student, is going to make their own Flip video, and that will be over the turning point that they had in their book, and they're going to use evidence from the book to back up why they think this is the turning point and how important it was. So each student is going to do that in each group, and I would, as a teacher, would create, as a lead on the Flip app, is I would create groups for each book club group, and they would share the video that they made on that group one. So that'd be really nice to have them kind of collaborate, and it doesn't have to be in person. They can create these videos in their room, at the park, as long as you have good lighting and you can hear the students really well. And those students can collaborate with each other so that they're not doing the same video, and they can share it with each other. And then eventually, with the students' permission, I would share it with the overall class so that everyone can get a sense of what that book was that they read. This is a really great website and app for educational purposes. I think all teachers should definitely look into it if they find it interesting. I think it is really awesome. I would 100% use this in my future lessons so that students have that ability to be very creative with what they want to do. Do they want to just take a video with themselves? Do they want to edit it a certain way? Like, that's what this is all about, is having those kids take a lesson and then go above and beyond in their own unique way and how they take that and how they want to rearrange it. But yes, that is Flip for you.